Tired of your bedroom looking plain but don't want to spend a fortune? Here are affordable upgrades that can instantly make a space feel stylish, cozy, and modern. Welcome back. Today we'll walk through practical, low-cost bedroom upgrade ideas that anyone can try. From small changes to smart adjustments, these tips will give your bedroom a fresh new look without draining your wallet. Simple definition: upgrading a bedroom doesn't mean expensive furniture or full renovations. It simply means adding affordable improvements that increase comfort, style, and function. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Start with new bedding. Fresh sheets, a cozy blanket, or patterned pillow covers can instantly transform the look. Step 2. Improve lighting. Add a bedside lamp, replace harsh bulbs with warm-toned ones, or use string lights for ambience. Step 3. Add a rug. A soft, budget-friendly rug near your bed makes the space more inviting. Step 4. Decorate the walls. You can hang framed photos, inexpensive art prints, or even DIY decor. Step 5. Organize smartly. Use baskets, underbed storage, or shelves to keep clutter away and make your room feel bigger. Tools explained. You'll need basic items like bedding sets, low-cost lamps, affordable rugs, storage bins, and simple wall frames. Most of these can be found online or at local home stores at reasonable prices. Quick tips: choose neutral colors for big items and add pops of color with small accessories. Rearrange furniture to create a more open layout before buying anything new. Plants, even small ones, add life without big costs. Cost comparison: new furniture can cost anywhere from $200 to $1,000. But these affordable upgrades like bedding sets for $30 to $60, rugs for $40 to $80, and lamps for under $50 give the same fresh impact at a fraction of the price. Workflow: first, clear the room of clutter. Second, set up new bedding. Third, position your lighting. Fourth, lay down your rug. Fifth, decorate your walls and add small details like plants or cushions. Professional notes: always measure your space before buying rugs or furniture to avoid mistakes. Stick to a color palette so the bedroom feels cohesive. Focus on comfort as much as style, since the bedroom is your resting space. Upgrading your bedroom doesn't need a big budget. With fresh bedding, better lighting, rugs, wall decor, and smart organization, you can achieve a modern and cozy look affordably. If you found these tips helpful, try one upgrade today and see the difference it makes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more affordable home improvement ideas.